Yo guys, today I have 100 subscribers. It's crazy. Thank you everyone. I appreciate everything. I appreciate you guys staying with me from the beginning when I started this channel 6 months ago, and right now I have 100 subscribers. I'm so damn happy with this fact. And I'm thinking, guys, I should encourage you. Yo, so you should guys choose, maybe write down some comments below what country I should visit to create new content for my channel. And also I'm thinking about Cambodia, Laos, Thailand, Vietnam, Philippines. So please write down the comment below. What is better? What country is better? Please let me know. So I'll be going there soon. Yeah, also guys, I ask you to support my channel, support me financially. Just right here you can support me. I appreciate everything. Also I appreciate if you write down comments below what country is better to visit. So just tell me what do you want to see, what do you want to watch in the future from me. I'm so grateful, guys. I cannot believe 100. I was waiting for this for 6 months. For six months, guys. Crazy. Everyone, thank you. Yeah, and also I have the whole new video. Please enjoy. Hi guys, today we are in Linhai. We are drinking some lemon. What's this? By the way, what is it? It's a lemon juice, lemon water. Hi. Halla.
Just cut it, I'm shy.
Okay, already cut it. I already cut it, everything.
Oh yeah. I'm shy, I never make a video before.
What's your name?
Oh no, you didn't.
I recorded.
You are recording? No.
No name.
No.
You say Mayo Minzi.
What that means?
Like don't have name.
Meo means
Like I don't have name. Last time I was with my homie. They asked me, "Are you going home?" And I told them, "Mayo home." So, if you guys have home, please write down in the comments below. What country are you from? So actually, I'm from Russia, but I was born in Kazakhstan. Yeah. What country are you from? Mayo means it. Mayo country. No name, no country. Incognito. Okay. What are we going to eat?
dumplings.
With shrimps, right?
Yeah.
Or with pork?
Shrimps.
Half. Okay. So this guy is going to cook some dumplings right here. He told us to wait 2 minutes. Let's see.
Hi.
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe
Hey boys,
to his channel.
please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to write down a comment below. Here we go, we have dumplings with shrimps. We have some spice, some soy sauce, some Chinese girls. Hello girls. How are you?
I'm
Fine, thank you. And you? Okay. Ha, he. Okay, so we're going to eat this one. Actually, you can try, and I just see, just record your reaction. Try this thing.
It's really hot.
Too hot.
Yeah.
Too hot.
Just wait.
Street food.
Yeah.
The spiciest street food in Linhai. No.
I don't know.
Okay, let's wait. Actually, I asked for 2. Actually, I asked for 2. Ni hao. Okay, guys, let's try this dumplings. Chin. Oh no. Chin chin. What does it mean, chin chin?
I don't know. It means cheers.
No. Chin chin. You don't know what does it mean, chin chin?
No.
She doesn't know what does it mean, chin chin. Okay, let's try.
Okay.
So hot.
Is it hot? It's hot? So I'm waiting.
Mm.
It's delicious.
No, not bad. It's sticky. Texture is so sticky, to be honest. Too sticky. Actually, I ate before just normal with wrapped with normal dough. Okay, you can try.
Ah, it's still hot.
No, you should just blow. I teach you how to blow. Battery.
No.
Am I recording? Do you know if I'm recording?
I don't know.
It's funny. Okay, 9%. It's okay. So how can I rate dumplings like this? 7.5, I think.
Oh, it's still hot.
Still hot. It's hot
Yeah.
inside.
I cannot eat something hot.
Okay, let's wait. And you guys can wait too. But my battery cannot wait. That's why please eat faster. Kidding, kidding. Just kidding. Okay. I'm not a food blogger, but let's make food blog. Okay. 你好。你好，我们要两个。
打包
不是这边，我们吃这边两个。
两个
他吃一个，我吃一个。
啊，
给我一个，这个可以吗？
但要两个。
有两个，
两个这个。
这不是两个，这一份是一份一份的，
没事。
一份，两份。
两份。
对对对。
一份。1 minute.
No. The whole
Okay,
thing.
I want one more.
那我再给你蒸一份，是不是？
Who is this?
Foreigner.
Really?
Yeah.
From where?
I don't know. I don't know him.
I don't know this house, but that person. Okay, why didn't say hi? Say hi.
Hi.
I'm going to be a famous vlogger.
反正都一样的啊。
你说 subscribe to my channel.
水晶虾饺一样的。
You
Yo,
want the same?
yo.
哦。
然后你说 hi,
嗨
subscribe
，30块
to my
，to my
channel.
天哪，
You'll be so good. Okay.
教的好。
没有好。Okay, we are waiting for another one. Another one. DJ Khalid. Another one. Khalid, what country is he from? He's Arab, ethnically.
I don't know.
You don't know DJ
Yeah,
Khalid.
I know
He's
him,
from
but I don't know.
Middle East.
I don't know.
Yes, 100%. Like French Montana.
French Montana is from Morocco.
Really?
I think, yeah. Let's search.
French Montana, you know?
My-
Okay, guys. If you know what country is he from, French Montana, please let us know. Let us know. Let it snow. Who is? They are fighting. Okay, we're going to finish this food because it's already it's obvious. This food is not bad. 7.5 for me. What about you?
I didn't taste it.
Why you didn't taste this?
Because it's still hot.
No,
Just wait.
it's
Yeah,
not
it's
hot.
still hot.
This music is nice. Acceptable. 7.
Yeah.
Just 7. Okay, that's all.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's good.
It's not bad. It's
actually.
acceptable, boys. If you want to eat some dumplings, welcome to Linhai, Taizhou, Zhejiang province. Happy to see you here. Like this dog is happy. Here. 你好。他的名字是什么？你的高高名字是什么？高高名字是什么？
臭臭，
臭臭。
很臭的臭。
他喜欢吃什么？
啊，
他喜欢吃什么？
他狗粮，他吃狗粮。
口粮。
狗粮，
口粮。
狗的粮食。
OK。你说 Hello。
Hello。
你是临海的？你是临海的吗？
我是临海的
你的
对对对
家乡在哪？临海
就在临海的。
啊，临海好玩
本地人
不好玩？
好。
好，
临海
哪里好？
生活节奏慢，
啊，
不快。
不快。
好
OK OK。谢谢你，拜拜。我很高兴认识你。
谢谢
拜拜
谢谢。
拜拜
我在那边卖手菜的。
哦，OK OK。
这
啊，我知道。
在
没有
古明，
给我一个免费的。
可以免费给你。
免费的可以。
可以，过来。
OK OK。
等一下
5分钟，5分钟。
5分钟，他会移到我隔壁去的。
OK OK。
OK，过来
好的
玩。
好的。拜拜
拜拜。
拜拜。
She's so cute.
Hey man, say hi to my subscribers.
Hi, what's up?
What's
How you
up?
guys?
Oh,
How you guys
your bike
doing?
is good.
Yeah, thanks.
Nice. How much does it cost?
I can't remember.
Okay, nice.
Thanks.
You have driver license?
No,
Uh-huh. No need. It's good.
But I have my country driver's license.
No, good. I had two, so I just transferred easily. You can go to Jiaojiao. There you go.
You have a Chinese driving license?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Nigeria. You should say Nigeria like this.
Nigeria.
Yeah, don't hide it.
What about you?
I'm from Russia, Moscow.
Russia.
Where you
Nice to meet you. My name is Bright.
Brian.
Bright.
Almost Kobe Bryant. Okay.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching. That's all.